size your fucking chickens, bro. It's screaming off, bro. You have to hide.
I got my lines in the fucking.
What pound test you running? Okay, never mind.
I can feel it.
You want to take it out of the boat? Hey, grab the boat. We're going for a boat ride.
Here, Paul.
Where's he at? Is he close? He just got back out there and close in the middle there. I would hop in that boat, brother.
Hop in the boat. I'm telling you.
I would definitely hop into the boat if I were you.
Okay. Somebody's got to run that net over here, though.
Here, give me that net. Oh, no, you got it.
Right here. You're not going to. I'll get it.
That's your best chance to win it.
Get in the boat.
Get in the boat.
Take your time, though. Take your time. Give it to,
Can you net?
Justin.
I'll have to.
No, he can grab it. I'll net it.
Here.
Let's go get this bitch. Oh boy. Yep, climb out, bro. No pressure. It looks obviously there.
Yeah.
Get him. It's fine. Get him. It's fine. We're just going to follow him right downstream, bro. And then keep the pressure. There you go. There we go. Come. Let him fight.
Damn. They need the net now. You know?
Two-legged mouse, bro. Sorry. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
And bring him in like this, yeah?
You're fine. The fish. We're getting them. We're getting them. follow this fish. The thing is, he can't go anywhere because we're just going to follow him down. Reel, 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 reel. Turn the boat, turn the boat. Copy that. There you go. Ready to reel? I'm going to close it up. Copy that. And chase him around. It's fine. It's like a dog on a leash.
I'll try and get him.
Ready to reel? Yep, yep. Stay on him. I'm gonna turn. There you go. Drop. Stay on him. Walk him like a dog. I'm gonna back up. You're gonna go around to the left side. There you go. Perfect. Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
You ready there, Rob?
No, I'll get it. I'll get it. Okay. That's it.
Here it is.
See fish. Reel, reel, reel.
Oh, shit. I thought.
Ooh.
Oh, we're gonna hit.
Oh shit.
When we do, don't worry about it.
There he is.
Yeah, I see him. Big buck, bro. Big buck.
Oh, we're going around.
Fun. Cheers. In the soft water now. Easy does it. Easy does it.
That's all the more I got because my leader.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's all good, bro.
Drop an anchor. We got him. We got him. Fine. Just play him. He's not going far now. Whenever you get a chance to lift him up, I'll get him.
Oh, fuck.
See that?
Yeah.
Ninja club.
That was so if I'd have given you a tug at the same time as you stabbed, we'd have had him.
It's fine. He doesn't have much left in him. Find him now, and then take your time though. He's done. Take your time. Treat it like a trap. Okay, you're at the end of your shit. So just now it's on the rod. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up when you can. No big deal. He's probably gonna run. That's fine. Let him run. Do me a favor.
Yep.
No, you can't. You're videotaping.
There we go.
Copy that.
There he is. Oh, oh, fuck! Damn it.
Let him fucking go. I was trying to lift up and he fucking gave a good.
Fuck!
He was right there.
No.